Hi, it's Scott Whimpey here from First Aid, Accident and Emergency. And today I've been out at the Southport Senior Citizens Club teaching them first aid and CPR and how to use a defibrillator. It's a great initiative by the Gold Coast City Council with their Active and Healthy program, and this is how the session went. Everyone really enjoyed the session because we tailored the session for a lot of the elder demographic and looked after falls, injuries, hip injuries, things like obviously CPR, stroke, head injuries as well.
I was a medic in the Australian Army and I'd got a bit stale with all my knowledge. And this was brilliant. It brought me up to date. I feel confident again.
My name's Jill. I'm from Southport Senior Citizens. Scott was here giving us the first aid course and it was brilliant. I've done over 40 in my life and this has been the most informative, and Scott delivered it in the most memorable way I've ever seen. Thank you, Scott, and I hope to see you next year.